when we do unboxing, because where we gotta put it when we're done. Come on, Kuya, don't. Why you? I just said to Sissy, don't damage it.
I think we'll have to take this in the matter of
What? Oh no! Hey, this Wacky doesn't know how to unbox boxing. Unboxing, unbox. What? One, two, two air dancers. Oh my goodness! Are you ready to put that outside?
Oh yeah, I can.
Whoa! Hold on, see, hold on. Whoa! Oh!
Another Christmas box. And
Christmas box, we're gonna do unboxing again. Christmas unboxing. I see you. Why are you in a hurry?
And this time, my brother, who I named Wet Hot Dog on Roblox, is his turn.
This turns on box. Oh my goodness, what did you do over here? You put the gloves? Christmas gloves.
And intruder!
Intruder! Oh my goodness, and that's Kuya, Grinch. Are you Grinch, Kuya, this year? No. What else?
Believe in the Christmas
Oh my goodness,
spirit!
oh my goodness, we're getting ready to put this outside when it's not cold. Right, there's a velvet candy cane snowman. Right, and this is Grinch. Grinch, what Kuya did to you? What Kuya did to you? Tell me. Ah! Santa, what did Kuya do to you?
I've been using a giant orb.
Look at that snowing right there. Don't disturb Santa. That's why he's in the
Well,
balloon. Okay, let's go! You're like zombies, guys. Oh my goodness, what's that noise? Oh, the tiny red inflatable wacky waving tube man. He's waiting for you. Oh no, Chubby! Mr. Chubby! You go rest there. Which one you like? That one? You show it to us. It's a square box. See? Show it to us right here. Right? So, Sissy's gonna unbox this box. Christmas air dancers from Kin Lopez's there. Oh, Sissy, you know what to do. You do not damage the box when we do unboxing, because where we gotta put it when we're done. Come on, Kuya, don't. Why you? I just said to Sissy, don't damage it.
I think we'll have to take this in the matter of
What? Oh no! Hey! Why did you do that? Bye-bye, Chubby. Bye-bye. Walk away with you, man. Alright, we're gonna turn you off. Sister Buddy here is gonna play with you. Okay, Chubby, are you coming? Am I the one who's gonna unbox that again? Because this Wacky doesn't know how to unbox boxing. Unboxing, unbox. One! One! Two! Two air dancers! Oh my goodness! What the heck? Oh my goodness! Two air dancers! Took answers?
I get
Let me see. Let me see the face. What is the face? Oh, this has a display of Christmas bells. It's a snowman. Oh my goodness, I do not know where to look at to. This one is a snowman.
And he has a
And another snowman. Kuya, hold it there so that they can see it.
doesn't have something on.
Oh, look at that. This one, what you call this, is winking. It's winking at you, Kuya. And it has a snowsuit. Oh, it doesn't have vortex. Okay, so snowman with winking. It has a bells, and it says Merry Christmas right there. It's a back-to-back. It does. And the other one, is it the other one winking too? Can you hold this? See? Let's see if it's winking. Let's see, is this one winking? Oh, it's just smiling. Are you ready to put that outside?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Yes!
What the heck? It's, yes? All right, let's go outside. Maybe the snowman's gonna do first. Yeah, we have a 12-feet giant. Got a cane snowman. It's already standing up there, waiting for the two Wacky Brothers.
Right, sir.
All right. All right.
Now hold on, Wackies. Before we turn these answers on, we want you to like and subscribe, or else you don't get any presents.
We have to put a rope in that one. Hold on. I'm gonna get the rope. Who's gonna do first?
No, I haven't turned mine on. Okay. 3, 2,
Whoa! Hold on, see, hold on. Wow, that's so tall. Is that 20 feet? Wow! Is that 20 feet, you think? It looks so tall. 20 feet tall. Merry Christmas. Snowman winking, winking. Look at that, guys. It's winking. Oh my goodness, we have 1 and 2 snowman air dancers. Are you ready, Z? And go! Oh! Woo! The other one has a carrots. Yes, a carrots. Yes, a carrot nose. The other one is Winky. Awesome! See, you like it? Awesome! Oh, you like it? Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Okay, let's go. It is the winking snowman. He has a winking snowman. He has a round nose, a red scarf, a twigs in his arms, and gloves, a buttons, and says Merry Christmas. And a Christmas tree. And then on the other side, it has a gift, a socks, a bells, a buttons, a scarves, a queen hand, but it has a carrot's nose, a button nose, a button smile, and a hat. The other one a hat too, but this one has a bigger hat. What can you say, guys? And of course, the snowman right there. Inflatables. There's so many giant snowman. Woo! ride.
Bye-bye. Remember to where I will give you presents.
Oh yeah? Start them up. Call Kuya. Kuya,
Bye.
quiet. Silence.
Yeah.
Are you gonna help me with this? Come on. Gonna put the air dancers upstairs.
I'll do that and then I'll go.
Now everybody's loud. Oh, look at that! The snowman is so happy. He owns the stage now. Bye-bye. See you next time.